DIY auto repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. And we're here in this 2015 Dodge Durango. And we've got 184,636 miles on the clock. So, guys, I didn't film. I'm filming this video afterwards, but basically, we had a check engine light. It was a P0456 code, which was a small evap leak. And we did a really quick fix on it. So I'm going to go ahead and bring you guys, I'm going to walk you through what I did initially to find the problem fast and the quick solution to the problem. So we'll take you guys, we'll bring you guys along and take a look at what we did. The proper way to do it is to actually smoke test the system or do an actual diagnostics on the vehicle, but we'll take you through what we did in order to quickly identify the problem and fix the problem. So let's go ahead and take you to the computer where we found a TSB for the issue at hand. So let's go ahead and we'll take you to the computer, then we'll bring you right back to the vehicle and show you exactly what we did. So we'll be right back. All right, guys, so here we are on our service information, our all data website. And as you can see, we got the 2015 Dodge Ram truck Durango, 4-wheel drive, V6, 3.6 liter. Now you can go and directly look up the code, or we could go directly to the TSBs. And here's all the TSBs on the vehicle. But we have, I believe it's this one right here. That's not it. Bear with me here, guys. Okay, guys, so here's the one. So as you see there, we just typed in the code. So here is basically the TSB, Technical Service Bulletin, and it is emissions mill on with DTCs P0455 and or P0456. So basically right here, repair procedure is the vehicle VIN number on the active. So if your VIN number is there, definitely this applies to you. Yes, proceed to 4. No, proceed to step 2. So it wants you to inspect the purge valve hose for any splits as shown. And this is what I'm talking about. This one's split really bad, so is this one. We looked at ours. We do see some cracks. As you can see there, this one's totally split. I don't think our VIN number that we were working with has anything to do with this DTC specifically, but we went ahead and we used the information here to look at our our purge solenoid hose, and we did see that there is some cracks in it. There's no big split, obviously, as you guys seen, or we're going to show you guys. There's obviously no big split, but ours does have some pretty good cracks in it. So and basically replace the purge valve vapor hose with the new hose, and that is it, guys. So that is our TSB. This is what led us to the hose. So right here, this bulletin involves replacing the evaporated emission purge valve hose due to a split in the hose that will prevent the system from sealing. It's for the 2015 WK Jeep Grand Cherokees and the 2015 WD Dodge Durango. Applies for vehicles within the following markets, countries. Here you go. So yeah, guys, straightforward, straight to the point. As we'll show you guys, ours is not this bad, but we do have some cracking in the hose. It's either a matter of time before the hose gives or it gets to this point, I should say. There is cracks in the hose. We'll show you guys here in a minute, but basically that is how we determine our to look into our hose, basically. Like I said, the proper way is to actually do a full diagnosis on the vehicle and or do a smoke test on the vehicle. But we use this information in order to come to a quick, fast, cheap solution. So there you have it, guys. That is our TSB. That is how we found our information. And now we're going to go ahead, take you back to the vehicle and take you under the hood and show you what we did and show you our old hose. So let's get back to the vehicle. Okay, guys, so before we head over to the vehicle and show you guys what we're talking about, I want to take a look at this other TSB that came out in April of 2023. This also has to do with the P0456 code. The only thing that I want to speak on that would apply is basically this right here. This includes PCM software updates to correct P0456. What's concerning, or what you should know from this, is this includes a PCM software update to correct P0456 concerns. So basically, if you do have this code, and let's say for instance you smoke test the system and you cannot find anything wrong with it, it might just need a PCM software update. That's what I'm getting from this TSB. So just because you have that code does not automatically mean something's wrong. It could just mean that your computer in your vehicle needs a software update in order to correct the computer from throwing the code. So I just wanted to touch on that before we head over to the vehicle. Something noteworthy to add in there. So anyway, guys, again, let's go to the vehicle. All right, guys. So as you saw in our TSB, basically this here over time becomes brittle and cracks, and that's how we can get a leak detected from here. So basically, very simple fix. We didn't record this or show you, but I'm gonna bring you along and show you. Basically, you're just gonna remove your air intake system here. It's gonna give you a lot more access to your hose. All you have to really do is from your purge valve, there's this red clip, pull it up to disengage it, and then there's gonna be two white prongs underneath it that you just push and it pulls right off. So it's this whole piece coming through here, down here, and it's gonna connect right down here at the bottom. So you're gonna get this bottom piece, this piece right here that comes up all the way until here. So we'll go ahead and show you our other one. It's very simple, guys. So basically, this is how it looked with the old one. And let me see if I can show you the cracks. You could see them right there. As well as on the back side. So it's pretty cracked, pretty eat up, pretty brittle. And getting this off, basically once you pull up the red tab, there's going to be the two white prongs here. You're just going to push in and pull out, and it pops right out. So as you can see here with this one, okay, so basically, guys, this piece right here if you just push it down, hopefully you can see that. If we press it down, the prongs on the inside pull in and it will release. So basically the same concept is over here on this one, but this one fell out. But again, guys, basically it goes just like that. So pretty simple fix, guys. We did it last minute as a quick solution to get the check engine light off, and it worked for the P0456 code. Proper way would have been to fill the whole system with smoke and check for leaks, but basically because this was so easy to get to, we just pulled it off. We literally just blew in it and we could feel air coming out of the side. So that's basically how we did it. This hose was only probably about $35 from Mopar America. They are not a sponsor, but that's where we usually get our OEM parts from at a discount price. A lot of times you can't find this at your local auto parts store, so we ended up having to order it from there. It was about $35, and it took about a week to come in, so not a bad deal. Regardless, if this was not the leak, we were going to have to replace it anyway, just due to the cracks that you guys can see in there. Try to maneuver it. Not stuck. Regardless, we were going to go ahead and replace it. So no harm, no foul, but it ended up solving our problem pretty quickly and cheaply. All right, guys, so that is our quick and easy P0456 code fix for a small evap leak. Hopefully, guys, if you guys have this problem, this video helps. And hopefully, if you do have this problem and you are able to replace that hose, it fixes your problem as well. It's a quick, easy fix. Thankfully, we seen that TSB, and that's why there is TSBs out there. And it's always good to pay attention to TSBs, or to try to look into what codes your vehicle's throwing and do some diagnostics. Even though it wasn't an actual hands-on diagnostics, we still took time, checked up the code, looked for TSBs, and we ended up finding one, and it was a quick, easy fix for us. So anyway, guys, hopefully that helped, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always, guys, until next time, have a good one.